Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai medical visas for those who are looking to get into Thailand amidst these rather more cumbersome lockdown protocols associated with COVID-19. Now, we're making this video at a time when they have initiated a full-on travel ban for any inbound flights in the aftermath of it appeared to be some inadvertent issues involving breach of quarantine. It looks like they're trying to tighten up the protocols, make sure everything's in good order, and then hopefully they will be sort of re-engaged with international flights thereafter. I'm going to go ahead and throw this up on screen. We found this via the Pattaya News, the good folks over there, but it was initially promulgated by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, but credit where credit is due. We found it via the Pattaya News. Quoting directly, measures to enter Thailand for non-Thai nationals in need of medical treatment in Thailand, except for treatment of COVID-19, including their accompanying persons, not exceeding 3 persons. So this is for folks. Thailand is a major medical destination. A lot of medical tourists, quote unquote, come into Thailand and need to take up certain procedures and protocols, and this is the Thai government's way of trying to get those folks in, trying to facilitate their entry. Quoting further, apply for appropriate visa type, request certificate of entry. For those who are unaware, certificate of entries are, in my opinion, somewhat akin to, shall we say, a secondary visa in the sense that it does require approval. In this case, it's sort of a nod from Ministry of Foreign Affairs after the embassy or consulate goes ahead and requests such document. Certain things like declarations stating travel details are required, evidence of financial ability, health insurance, letter of referring hospital, letter from receiving hospital in Thailand. And then they go on to show you sort of put in your paperwork with the embassy, they liaise with Ministry of Foreign Affairs, they kick it back out to you. You may have to get some further supporting documentation before you can fly to Thailand to be here to undergo medical protocols, and quarantine is involved with that overall process. So the thing to take away from this video, it is, or it should be, hopefully in the forthcoming days, hopefully not weeks, but forthcoming days, it will be possible again to re-enter Thailand for medical visa, or excuse me, for medical purposes in order to undergo medical protocols and procedures, and we're hoping to see this sooner rather than later.